Hi guys, welcome to Jenny's Signature Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken and prawn fried noodles. Actually this is made by my mom and she put oil, little bit of fennel, vinegar and then onion, prawns and chickpeas all together, and she fried for a while for 5 seconds. She put all the veggies. Then after she put a little bit of turmeric for a color, because that's the mom style, so she like to cook on that way. And then after she put a little bit of salt for a taste. Then after she put a diced chicken breast. And mix it all together. Fry it for until the chicken and veg is cooked. Then she put a mix spice, which you always make at home, all the mixed spice. Then after a little bit of chili for your taste. If you like chili you can add it, if you don't like you can leave it as it is. Then just mix it well together. As you can, it's come out so beautiful color and spicy. Then you can put noodle. This one we got from Chinese shop and it's like color, you can find in Chinese shop. And just put a little bit of soya sauce and just mix it all well together. Ta-da! It's served now. You can enjoy with some pickle, tomato ketchup, anything. Thank you for watching.